Orion box is a metal enclosure specifically designed to house electrical wiring and connections for a fire alarm control panel. It's named after Richard Ryan, the inventor who developed it in the early 1900s. The primary function of Orion box is to provide a secure and organized location for all the necessary electrical components that connect to the fire alarm control panel. These boxes are typically mounted on a wall or ceiling in close proximity to the fire alarm control panel, ensuring easy access for installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Inside the Orion box, you'll typically find several crucial electrical components. Firstly, circuit breakers are commonly installed to protect the fire alarm system from overcurrents and short circuits. These breakers are rated to interrupt the flow of electricity if the current exceeds a predetermined level, preventing damage to the system's components and reducing the risk of fire. Secondly, fuses serve a similar purpose as circuit breakers, providing overcurrent protection. Fuses are designed to melt and break the circuit when the current exceeds their rating, effectively disconnecting the faulty circuit. Thirdly, relays are often used within Orion box to control various functions of the fire alarm system. A relay is an electromechanical switch that can be used to remotely control a circuit. For example, a relay might be used to activate an alarm bell or to trigger a sprinkler system. Fourthly, terminal blocks provide a convenient and organized way to connect wires together within the Orion box. These blocks typically consist of a series of insulated terminals where wires can be securely fastened using screws or other methods. This ensures reliable electrical connections and simplifies the process of wiring and troubleshooting the system. Lastly, wiring is an essential component, connecting all the various components within the Orion box and providing the electrical pathways for signals and power to flow throughout the fire alarm system. The Orion box offers several key advantages. Firstly, it provides a safe and secure enclosure for the electrical connections, protecting them from physical damage, dust, moisture, and other environmental factors. This helps to ensure the reliability and longevity of the fire alarm system. Secondly, the Orion box makes it easier to troubleshoot and repair the fire alarm system. By having all the electrical connections located in one central location, technicians can quickly and easily access the wiring and components to diagnose and fix any problems. Thirdly, the organized layout of the Orion box simplifies the process of installing and maintaining the fire alarm system. The use of terminal blocks and clear labeling makes it easy to connect wires and identify different circuits. Orion boxes are commonly used in a variety of buildings, including commercial buildings, industrial facilities, and residential complexes. The specific size and configuration of the Orion box will vary depending on the size and complexity of the fire alarm system. When selecting a Orion box, it's important to consider several factors. Firstly, the size of the Orion box should be adequate to accommodate all the necessary electrical components and wiring. Secondly, the Orion box should be constructed of durable materials that can withstand the environmental conditions in which it will be installed. Thirdly, the Orion box should be properly labeled to identify the different circuits and components. When installing a Orion box, it's important to follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations. The installation should be performed by a qualified electrician or fire alarm technician. The wiring should be properly sized and insulated to prevent electrical hazards. The Orion box should be securely mounted to the wall or ceiling to prevent it from falling or being damaged. Regular inspection and maintenance of the Orion box are essential to ensure the continued reliability of the fire alarm system. The Orion box should be inspected for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. The circuit breakers and fuses should be tested to ensure they are functioning properly. The wiring should be checked for any signs of wear or tear. The Orion box plays a crucial role in the overall safety and effectiveness of a fire alarm system. By providing a secure and organized location for the electrical connections, the Orion box helps to ensure that the fire alarm system will function reliably in the event of a fire. Understanding the purpose and components of a Orion box is essential for anyone involved in the installation, maintenance, or repair of fire alarm systems. It contributes to the safety and protection of buildings and their occupants. The Orion box will generally include these main items: 1. circuit breakers which protect the fire alarm system from overcurrents. 2. Fuses serve as overcurrent protection by melting and breaking the circuit. 3. Relays are electromechanical switches used to control functions of the fire alarm system remotely. 4. Terminal blocks offer organized connection points for wiring, and 5. Wiring connects components and provides electrical pathways. In summary, a Ryan box is an integral part of fire alarm systems. It is not just a box, it is a specialized enclosure.